Welcome back to our Cybersecurity Stories series, where we highlight real user stories for Cybersecurity Awareness Month. Today's theme is software updates. A software update, sometimes called a patch, is a fix or improvement released by a vendor to close security vulnerabilities, squash bugs, or add new features. Installing updates promptly keeps attackers from exploiting known weaknesses. Our story today highlights what could happen to a system which is not kept up to date, and the importance of implementing software updates from legitimate sources.
My senior parents were targeted by an alert on their computer that said their virus software was critically out of date, and to call the number shown immediately to remediate. They were taken aback by the urgency of the message, and of course the fact that they were unable to click anywhere else before they acknowledged this pop-up. It had frozen their computer. They called the phone number and were shocked to learn that it would cost $800 to update their virus software. They spent over 2 hours on the phone, giving many details and their credit card number. Sure enough, they were charged the $800. They told me the story when I arrived at their house the next day, expecting me to be similarly dismayed at the cost of updating their virus software. When I told them that I thought they were scammed, they were horrified. I Googled the number that they had called, and it appeared in a post about a scam alert. My parents were understandably distraught. However, the credit card company was able to reverse the charge. It was a strong lesson to take precautions before trusting someone, insisting you do something urgently, and of course, giving out your credit card number to a non-verified person.
There are many layers to examine in this scam. First, this type of pop-up scam could occur for a variety of reasons, from clicking on a scam email and downloading malware to a vulnerability being exploited in an unpatched system. Next, the tactic itself. Cybercriminals often use urgency to get users to act now. The topic of software updates is one that is often used by cybercriminals in pop-ups, emails, and on scam websites to get users to click. Only install updates from trusted sources like your device's official update mechanism or the vendor's verified site. You should also update as soon as possible when prompted by IT and enable automatic updates. If you're ever unsure about the legitimacy of a software update, ask your IT provider before clicking. Thank you for watching. Just by keeping up with your training, you are one step closer to staying safe online and securing our world.